How do RC radio waves enable precise control? Imagine holding a magic wand that can command a tiny vehicle to move exactly how you want. That's pretty much what happens with radio waves in remote control toys. When you press a button or move a stick on your transmitter, it sends out a specific radio signal. These signals are electromagnetic waves that travel through the air at the speed of light. The transmitter encodes your commands into these waves using special methods so the receiver on your RC model can understand them. Most RC systems operate on frequencies like 2.4 gigahertz or 72 megahertz. The 2.4 gigahertz band is popular now because it offers more channels and less interference from other devices. When you move a control stick, the transmitter converts that movement into a pulse pattern called pulse width modulation. Think of it like a series of short and long signals that tell the receiver what position your stick is in. For example, moving the throttle forward sends a longer pulse, which the receiver interprets as increasing speed. Another method called pulse position modulation stacks multiple signals into one wire by spacing them differently. This way, the receiver can tell which command is which based on the timing of the pulses. It makes wiring simpler and keeps control smooth. When the receiver picks up these radio waves, it boosts the tiny electrical signals with an amplifier. Then it mixes the signals with a local oscillator to convert them into a more manageable form. The demodulator extracts the original command data from the carrier wave, and the signals are sent to servos or motors. All this happens in just a few milliseconds. That's why your RC vehicle responds instantly when you turn the steering wheel or push the throttle. The system's speed makes control feel natural and precise. To keep signals clear, modern RC systems use technology like frequency hopping spread spectrum. It changes the transmission frequency rapidly to avoid interference from other devices. Digital signal processing also helps by filtering out noise and reducing lag, so your commands are executed accurately and quickly. For beginners, understanding this process helps you pick the right system. Make sure your transmitter and receiver are on the same frequency and compatible. Most starter kits come pre-matched, so you just need to bind them together. The number of channels on your transmitter controls how many functions you can operate. 2 channels might control speed and steering, while more advanced systems can handle additional features like lights or camera controls. So, every time you move a control stick, radio waves carry your commands as encoded signals. These signals are then decoded by the receiver and turned into precise movements of your RC vehicle. It's a fast, reliable system that makes remote control toys feel so responsive and fun to use.